Got your first $500 and feeling a bit lost? Let's turn that into a powerful money system that helps you grow, save, and earn without the overwhelm. First up, we're diving into the emergency fund. Take $150 and stash it into a high-yield savings account like SoFi or Wealthfront. This isn't just a safety net, it's your financial buffer. Life throws curveballs, unexpected car repairs, medical bills, you name it. With this fund, you're covered. Plus, while it sits there, it earns you 4% to 5% APY. That's money working for you, giving you peace of mind. Next, let's talk about growth and investing. Grab $200 and use apps like Public, Robinhood, or Fidelity to buy fractional shares. Consider investing in an S&P 500 ETF like VO or SPY, or a tech ETF like QQQ. This is where the magic happens. You're not just saving, you're building long-term wealth and getting comfortable with the markets. It's a crucial step towards financial independence. Now, let's allocate $50 for learning. This is your knowledge budget. Invest in books, mini courses, ebooks, or even AI tools. The return on investment here is massive. Learning faster and smarter means you'll avoid costly mistakes down the road. Most people overlook this step, but don't be one of them. Knowledge is power, and it pays dividends. Finally, we have the micro side hustle setup. Use the last $100 to kickstart something small. Maybe you buy Etsy mockups to launch a digital product, or get Canva Pro to open a Notion template store. You could even pay for a month of ChatGPT Pro and Pictory to start automating your YouTube channel. This is your seed money. No need for a full business plan, just take action and build momentum. So let's break it down: $150 for savings, $200 for investing, $50 for learning, and $100 for your hustle. With this simple system, you now have protection, growth, skills, and income potential all in motion from just one $500 move. Don't let that $500 sit idle, waiting for the perfect opportunity. Use it to build your first real money system. What would you spend it on? Or what have you already done? The journey to financial empowerment starts now.